Hello and welcome. In this class, we will talk about research methodology. What is research methodology? We will see its definition and why is research methodology important. We will see this. So let's begin. Research methodology is the systematic plan or process used to conduct research. It includes the methods, techniques, and tools researchers use to collect, analyze, and interpret data in order to answer a specific question or solve a problem. It's not just about what you research, but how you do it, ensuring the results and valid, reliable, and scientific. In simple terms, research methodology is the backbone of any research project. It helps you choose the right path to find accurate and trustworthy answers to your research question. Now let's see, why is research methodology important? Ensures the research is organized and reliable, helps others replicate or verify your findings, guides you through ethical, effective research, improves the quality and impact of the research outcome.